Hey there! I bought and tested these top 2S Lipo batteries so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I know how important it is to have reliable power for your RC gear, whether it's cars, drones, or planes. Let's dive into these options and find out which ones are worth your investment. Product number 1. Zeee Fireproof Battery Storage Pouch. When I first got my hands on the Zeee Fireproof Explosion-Proof Large Capacity Battery Storage Guard Pouch, I was immediately impressed by its robust construction. Measuring 8.46 by 6.5 by 5.71 inches, this pouch is designed to keep your Lipo batteries safe during charging and storage. I remember the first time I charged my batteries using this pouch. It felt like I was playing it safe. The inner fireproof fabric and the PVC fiber outer layer provide peace of mind, especially when dealing with the risks associated with Lipo batteries. The pouch can withstand temperatures up to 1,000 Fahrenheit, so while it's not 100% fireproof, it significantly reduces the chances of a mishap during charging. The pros are clear. It's incredibly spacious, able to hold around 25 pieces of 2200 mAh Lipos, and the design makes it easy to carry. However, I did notice that it can feel a bit bulky if you're trying to pack light. There's also the limitation regarding fire safety. It's essential to remember that this pouch can't prevent fire if temperatures exceed that 1000 Fahrenheit mark. But overall, it's a fantastic safeguard against potential disasters. So why should you buy this pouch? If you're serious about your RC hobbies and want to ensure the safety of your batteries, this Zeee pouch is a must-have. It's affordable, reliable, and could save you from a disaster. The peace of mind it provides during charging sessions is worth its weight in gold. Product number 2. B6 Mini Lipo Balance Charger. The B6 battery charger from Hildau. I was on the hunt for a charger that was compact yet powerful, and this one fits the bill perfectly. At just 3.29 by 2.6 by 0.87 inches and weighing 1.61 pounds, it can easily fit into my backpack, making it ideal for on-the-go charging. The first time I used this charger, I was impressed by the LCD display that clearly shows all charging statuses and settings. It felt intuitive and visually appealing as I navigated through the various options. The safety features are a huge plus. With short circuit protection, overcharge protection, and overheat protection, I felt secure using this charger without worrying about the dreaded battery explosion that I've heard so much about. Plus, it supports a wide range of battery types, from Lipo to NIMH, which makes it versatile for anyone with different RC hobbies. However, I did find that the charger requires you to select the correct battery type manually, which could be a hassle for someone who might forget. But the fast charging and balance functions work exceptionally well, significantly reducing the time I spend waiting for my batteries to charge. So if you're looking for a compact, multifunctional charger that can handle various battery types efficiently, the B6 is an excellent investment. Product number 3. HTRC 150W RC Battery Charger. The HTRC 150W 10A RC Balance Fast Battery Charger is next on my list, and it's a game changer. When I first plugged it in, I was impressed by how quickly it charged my batteries. With a maximum output power of 150W and a discharge power of 10W, this charger doesn't waste any time. The dual input capability for AC-DC power is a handy feature, especially when I'm at home or out in the field. What I loved most about this charger is its compatibility with a wide range of battery types. It supports everything from Lipo to LIHV and even NIMH NICD batteries. I found this versatility to be a significant advantage, as it means I can use it for all my RC gadgets without needing multiple chargers. The smart features, including automatic charge current limits and low input voltage limits, add layers of safety that made me feel secure. The downside? The learning curve can be a bit steep for beginners. The terminal voltage control feature allows for expert-level adjustments, but if you select the wrong settings, it might lead to battery damage. But if you're comfortable with technology and want a charger that packs a punch, the HTRC 150W is absolutely worth considering. Product number 4. Tenergy Digital Battery Pack Charger.
We have the Tenergy 1S to 6S digital battery pack charger, which quickly became my go-to for balancing and discharging batteries. When I first opened the box, I appreciated the thoughtful addition of a Lipo bag for safe charging and storage. The charger itself is compatible with a wide range of battery types, which I found useful as my collection grew. One feature that stood out to me was the easy-to-read screen. Navigating through the settings felt intuitive, and I could quickly monitor the charging progress. The multi-connector compatibility is fantastic. I could charge batteries with Tamiya, JST, and Dean's connectors without any hassle. However, one thing I noticed is that the charger can get quite warm during use, which made me a little cautious. Why buy this charger? If you want a reliable, versatile option that can handle multiple battery types with ease, the Tenergy charger is an excellent choice. It balances fast charging with safety features, ensuring that your batteries remain in top condition while you enjoy your RC hobbies.
Product number 5. SSUCP-HG Balance Charger for 2S, 3S batteries. I want to discuss the SSUCP-HG Balance Charger designed specifically for 2S and 3S batteries. This compact charger is remarkably user-friendly, and the first time I used it, I found it incredibly straightforward. Just plug it in, connect your battery, and you're ready to go. The smart chip ensures safe and optimal charging for every cell, which is a huge bonus that enhances the battery's lifespan. The safety features are robust, including protections against overvoltage, overtemperature, and short circuits. As someone who values safety, I felt confident using this charger with my RC toys. However, it's important to note that this charger is only compatible with 2S and 3S batteries, so if you have a wider range of batteries, you might need an additional charger for those. If you're in the market for a reliable and easy-to-use option specifically for 2S and 3S batteries, the SSUCP-HG is a solid choice. It's affordable and designed with safety in mind, making it perfect for anyone looking to charge their RC toys without the fuss. In conclusion, these 5 products offer a fantastic range of options for anyone serious about their RC hobbies. Whether you're looking for a safe storage pouch, a multifunctional charger, or something specifically tailored for your 2S and 3S batteries, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and keep your batteries safe and well-powered.